Guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well, all doing well, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. So as you can see, this is a new area and I came here only just make video. Okay, and this is my favorite area, and uh, this is a very nice and attractive area. So that's why I came here. Every day I try. Uh, uh, I came here. Okay. Uh, Actually, this time, morning time, only just 5:30 o'clock. Okay, and I completed my Fajr prayer and came here. Okay, so as you know, here some dog. Okay, and all time quarrel. Oh, okay. Okay, our let's go our main topic. Actually, you know, my brother and sister, I am a very beginner learner, so that's why every day I try make video. Okay, practicing video. So that's why I came here, and every time uh, I follow four things like uh, um, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So that's why every every time I every time I try every time I try uh, thinking English. Okay, no Bengali or no mother tongue. Actually, our educational system, our country system, all everything Bengali medium. Okay, right? You know, my brother and sister, but um actually just 1 month ago I cannot speak, and I don't know how to make video. I don't know how to create short sentence or long sentence, and or uh, how to blog video make. Okay, but only just 1 month after I am here. This is my small exchange, because every day I try learn something, and every day I try listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But speaking part is very important. If you are a beginner learner, or if you want to learn English, you are a serious learner. English most of the uh, important thing, speaking part. Okay, so if you are a really learn English, every day just practice. Uh, every day just practice speaking, like uh, right now I do. Okay, so you can only one tricks follow, or one method follow. Uh, I don't know your learning how your learning method, but I I tell you, every day one single make video do, and uh, t- upload your YouTube channel, but not public. First time not public. First time you just do uh, private. Okay, because uh, my small exchange only just one habit, like every day I try 2 3 4 video make and upload my YouTube channel. Okay, so that is my confidence grow. Okay, so I know one day you will be a success speaker, and I know you will be a fluent speaker. But everyday practice, because if you don't practice, you cannot shine. You cannot learn English. Okay, so that's why every time, every single time, thinking English. Okay, and try your best. Okay, and every day you learn something. like a new vocabulary, learn like new sentence make or long sentence make, but first time not long sentence make, first time try short sentence make. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video, and enjoy me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and every day consistent and never give up. So see you soon next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.